Good morning, students. Welcome back. Sorry. Today we are going to learn about the topic the role of women in French Revolution. So today's topic of discussion is the role of women in French Revolution. In this topic we are going to learn about their participation, women participation in French Revolution. So at first I will tell you, yes, women were active participants in the French Revolution. They actively participated in French Revolution. Now the question is why? Because they hoped that their involvement would pressurize the revolutionary government to introduce measures to improve their lives. So, for a better living condition, they actively participated in the movement. Now the question is, what was the condition of women in French society before the revolution or even after the revolution? So first we are going to learn about what was the condition of the French woman in French society before the revolution. I am telling you, students, things were not right. So let's see. Most of the women of the third estate will basically see the women of the third estate, because all the problem lies here with the third estate. The women of the third estate had to work for their living. They worked as seamstresses, sold flowers, fruits, vegetables at the market, or were employed as domestic servants in the houses of prosperous people. So in this way, the women of the third estate, they had to work for a living. So this was really very pathetic. And most importantly, the women had no access to education. This was also very much important. Women means women of third estate, they had no access to education. Education was not meant for the women of the third estate. And only the daughters of nobles or wealthier members of the third estate could study at a convent, after which their family arranged a marriage for them. So the condition of the woman in the third estate was not up to the mark. Working women had to also care for their family, that is, cook, fetch water, queue up for bread, and look after the children. And also, the women who were working as a laborer, they earned much lower wages than that of men. So this was also a problem. Sorry. So the life of the woman of the third estate was not up to the mark. Understand, students? So in order to discuss and voice their interest, women started their own political clubs and newspapers. This was very much important. And among this club, one of the most important was the Society of Revolutionary and the Republican Women. So they start up their own political clubs in order to get the rights. And you know, students, what was the most important right of these people? Means the women of the third estate, the most important demand was to get equal political right. Political right means right to vote. So the main demand of the women of the French society was to get equal political right, that is right to vote along with men. Understand? We'll continue with this.